So our next big O notation is O of 1. So let's start out with some code here. We have a function called add items, and all we're going to do is we're going to return in plus in. There's only one operation here, and that's the addition. So it doesn't matter if in is 1 or in is 1,000,000, the number of operations is going to be 1, and that is O of 1. Well, what if we add another addition? Well, now that's 2 operations, right? O of 2. And as you may have guessed, we're going to simplify this and make it O of 1. So O of 1 a lot of times is referred to as constant time. So this situation here where we have 2 additions, it's 2 operations. That is constant, no matter what in is. The number of operations does not change as in changes. So let's take a look at this on the graph. It's just a flat line across the bottom. It is the most efficient big O. Nothing is more efficient than O of 1. Remember, you will also hear this referred to as constant time. So if you hear that phrase, that is O of 1.